Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan from the beach. And today I'm going to talk with you about something that happened recently that has to do with telling the truth. And it has to do with what you intend on. So here's the thing. I recently ordered some homeschool books for my children, and I ordered them from Amazon. I ordered them from a seller, and the seller shipped me a booklet that wasn't what I wanted, but it said it was a gift. And so I get the gift, and then I follow up because I'm wondering when am I going to get the actual books that I ordered. And so I keep following up and I keep checking in, and I finally, after several communications, get the response that they shipped the wrong book. They shipped the wrong booklet. But there was all sorts of lies in between. And it took me persisting just to get the truth out, which, could be annoying, but I'm not really, I don't let it get to me. There's no point in doing that. But here's what I really want to share with you. The truth. When you don't tell the truth, your intentions don't lie. What you're thinking inside doesn't lie, right? And it doesn't lie to the person, and the world around you knows if you're telling the truth or not. In fact, the outcomes know, you can see from your outcomes that you're either telling the truth or you're not. And so the key here is to realize if you don't tell the truth, you're lying to yourself, and then you're lying to others, and you're basically going to get an outcome that doesn't produce what you want. So your intentions do matter. That's what this is all about. Your intentions matter. What you think and what you want and what you perceive to be the best path and the honest and honorable one. And if you don't know your values, then it's out the window. And apparently this gentleman from this company didn't have values of being honest until now. And so that's his issue. He's going to deal with that, not me. But I just want to emphasize this, whether it's for life or business or whatever you're doing, because my focus is business, and I'm hoping that if you're in business, you're honest and you have values and principles that you follow, because it matters when you're honest, and it'll be received well by other people. You'll attract people that are honest, and you'll attract circumstances that give you the best opportunity to get what you want in life. So just know that, if you don't know your intentions given a situation, then start looking at, what matters to you? What outcome do you want? And if it means being honest, and that might be difficult in certain circumstances, telling the truth, then tell the truth. And I've told the truth many times in business and in life. I told the truth one time when I was doing a painting job as a student, that I couldn't do the right work. I devoted all sorts of time and attention doing it. I made a mess of their house, and I had to be honest with them and tell them, I can't finish this project. I don't know how. I'm not capable. And they had to find somebody else. But they didn't pay me. That was the one way that I could avoid, creating a negative impact. So hopefully this is helpful. Just be honest and set your intentions. Know what you want. Know what outcomes you want, and know your values and principles, and think from the inside out. Be honest. All right, if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, head over there and check it out. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this, because there's a lot of things going on in the world, and maybe people aren't being honest with you, or you're having trouble being honest, but I'd like to hear from you. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.